Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and in this video, I will provide you with an overview of the View Event Bookings page. To get to the View Event Bookings page from your dashboard, select Scheduling on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, select the View Event Bookings button here. The View Event Bookings page allows you to view and manage client bookings for all events. It provides a consolidated view of all client bookings for your events, including upcoming, past, and canceled bookings. Here on the All Event Bookings page, you'll see the search bar, date range, upcoming tab, past tab, and lastly, the canceled tab. The search bar here is where you can enter the invitee name, location, or event name into the search for bookings. Here, in the date range section, you can select a date range by clicking the Select Date Range search field. A pop-up calendar will display. Set your desired time frame to display bookings for the selected range. On the Upcoming tab, you will be able to see the date, time, invitee name, email, and event name of the upcoming events. By clicking here on the Details dropdown, you will be able to see more details of that client's booking, such as the fees, location, client's timeline, and client responses to the intake form. After clicking on the Details dropdown, you will also see the Cancel Booking and Send Reschedule Request buttons. You can cancel client bookings by clicking the Cancel Booking button. Doing so will open a pop-up that would allow you to provide the reason for cancellation, which is optional. The reason for cancellation will be contained in the email notification to the client. It's important to note that if you have received payment from your clients for an event and canceled the booking, CoachVantage will not process any fee refunds automatically. You will need to manually process fee refunds to your clients if applicable. Now, let's take a closer look at the Send Reschedule Request button. This button allows you to cancel the client booking and request the client to reschedule the event. Doing so will open a pop-up that will allow you to write the reason for rescheduling, which is optional. And this reason your client will be able to see via the email notification sent. For example, if you, the client, reschedule this event and press yes, I will now show you the email notification that is sent to your client. Here is an example of what the email would look like. Your client will be asked to schedule a new appointment. Clicking the Schedule New Appointment button will redirect them to the Reschedule Booking page, where they can pick a new date and time for the event booking. As a quick note, when you request your client to reschedule a booking, the original booking gets canceled, and the booking record will be moved to the Canceled tab here. Here we are, back on the View Event Bookings page. Let's take a look at the Past tab. On this tab, you will be able to see the date, time, invitee name, email, and event name of past event bookings. In this example, there are no past bookings. However, similarly to the upcoming bookings, there is an option to select details where you will be able to see more details such as fees, location, client time zone, and client responses to the intake form. Lastly, on the Cancel tab, you will be able to see the date, time, invitee name, email, and event name of the canceled event booking. Similarly, you can also press the Details dropdown to learn more about this event. In the Details section here, you can learn more about the date this event was canceled on, who it was canceled by, and the reason for cancellation. And that concludes our video on the View Event Bookings page overview in CoachVantage. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Have an amazing week ahead. Happy coaching!